visiting a hospital kitchen, performing rehabilitation exercises with patients, promoting anti-smoking messages, and assisting members of the public in using one-stop electronic kiosks. These are just some of the activities undertaken by those involved in the Hospital Authority's New Territories West Cluster Youth Volunteer Programme. Held over the summer, the programme engaged participants aged 15 to 25 in training and site visits, and some of the volunteers took time to reflect on what they had gained from the experience.
I chose to join this program because I really am passionate about volunteering and giving back to the community whenever I can. And I am originally interested in the medical field, like STEM related, so I did choose subjects such as biology and chemistry in high school to kind of further my knowledge within this discipline. It really helped me gain a new perspective on how I look at the healthcare system in general and how much depth it actually has instead of just whatever we are used to seeing, such as in clinics or just in hospitals. I think one of the most memorable parts of the volunteering experience is definitely going up to the patient's room to talk with them, because I think that I was able to really give them a sense of comfort, because to a certain extent I could resonate with some of the feelings and hardships that they were going through. And I really think that, for example, some patients might not have a lot of family members or friends who went to visit them, so it's really important that we do go in there to kind of talk to them, to chat with them, to see how they're doing.
I joined this program because I always enjoyed volunteering, and my school recommended me to join. I'm not planning to work in medical field, but I enjoyed my time in hospital a lot. I gained a fruitful experience in this program. First, I can make really good friends in this program with others volunteers. The most important thing I can learn was empathy, how to truly understand others people's feelings. I would tell my friend it is more than volunteering. It is also a valuable life lesson. It gives you opportunity to step out your comfort zone and communicates with care.
A unique feature of this year's programme was the inclusion of retired hospital staff as instructors. They were able to share their valuable experience and broaden participants' understanding of the medical industry.
They are very energetic and they are bright as a mentor and helper. I think I'm also an observer as well as a learner. I would like to share with them the different nursing roles in a hospital as well as in other institutes. Besides, I would like to share with them my nursing experience through this 35 years. I'm so happy to be a nurse, and I'm so proud that I can be a mentor to the young. And I wish through this program they know more about the hospital and the different jobs or occupations can be taken up in hospital, and hope they have interest and maybe in future they would take up some jobs.
Nearly 300 youngsters participated in this year's programme, a record number. The programme's organiser expressed hope that the volunteers will continue to be involved in the authority's work and praised them for their significant contributions.
We have received many positive feedback from the department because our youth volunteer really help our patient. Our youth volunteer can help them to operate this kiosk machine, operate the X-ray goal, find a way to direct the patient to the waiting area. The characteristic of this youth volunteer service scheme is that we allow our youth volunteer to have the exposure to different hospitals in the cluster. We want our youth volunteer to have the exposure to the different part of the hospital so that they can have a global understanding of the operation of the hospital.